Looking for a high quality air conditioner that will actually keep your room cold? Well, this LG air conditioner is impressive. I got it for my attic bedroom as it has been in the high 90s and we could not survive without an AC. So we got this window AC for a few reasons. Mainly, it is whisper quiet, it's from a legitimate brand, and it had the square footage coverage that we needed for the upstairs. Our upstairs is actually smaller. I think it's about 600 square feet, and we have the 800 square feet AC, but we wanted to make sure they would actually keep our upstairs cold. Now, these are all the pieces that come with it. Pretty straightforward. You have your front cover and your filters. Now here's what the outside portion of it will look like. We're going to stick that right out our bedroom window. Not the prettiest, but it will do. And I have to take off the whole top cover to start, as you need to take that off to add all the braces so it doesn't fall out the window. But here's what it looks like on the inside. It's basically a big fan keeping that condenser cool, and it actually only circulates air within your room, which is huge for us because we live in the Pacific Northwest and there's wildfire season. Now you'll see I have a shelf for the AC right there. You have to get a shelf separately because you do not want this falling out your window. Right here, we're just checking the fit of the surround before attaching it to the main piece. And now it's all put together. And all you really do at this point is slide it in, put the window down over it, and put on the front. So adding the front requires just simply plugging it in. You plug it into the AC mainframe, and then you plug it into the wall, and you connect that right up. Now it's ready to go, but we still have some gaps around the edges, and we actually want to get some specific foam for our window, so we haven't gotten that yet. But a day after we got it, there was a wildfire, and we had to use some blue masking tape to cover up that gap just to keep all the smoke out. It has been working beautifully. It has been in the high 90s here. We keep it set at 68, and at midday, it keeps this room to about 72, according to our room thermometer, so that's really good. And by evening, it is definitely at 68, and we sleep so well because of this. Now, there are settings on it. You have a few fan speeds you can choose from, and then you can go through a variety of modes. Don't forget that it has a remote, so keep that by your bed. The modes are dry, fan, energy saver, and cool. And then the timer is quite smart. You can actually set it to automatically turn off within a few hours or automatically turn on within a set period. And sleep mode just makes it a little quieter as you sleep. I haven't even talked about the app it comes with, but I'm going to stop here as I think you get the gist. This is such an impressive AC, and I know you'll love it as much as I do.